Adventure TV.
Hello friends, let's play the phonics game. Tell me the name of this letter and its vocabulary. This is letter A. Apple. Aeroplane. Ant. Arrow. Very good. This is letter B. Ball. Bat. Bag. Beer. Very nice. This is letter C. Cat. Candle. Car. Cup. Very nice. This is letter D. Dog. Drum. Duck. Door. Very nice. This is letter E. Ear. Egg. Engine. Elephant. This is letter F. Fan. Fruit. Fountain. Fish. This is letter G. Gun. Goat. Grass. Gate. This is letter H. Heart. Hen. Heater. Horse. This is letter I. Ink. Ink pot. Ice cream. Igloo. This is letter J. Jam. Jellyfish. Jug. Jet. This is letter K. Kite. King. Kangaroo. Key. This is letter L. Lamp. Loin. Light. Leopard. This is letter M. Man. Monkey. Mango. Moon. This is letter N. Nose. Nib. Nail. 9. This is letter O. Orange. Octopus. Ostrich. Onion. This is letter P. Pen. Parrot. Penguin. Pencil. This is letter Q. Queen. Quill. Quilt. Quran. Very nice. Now this is letter R. Rain. Rat. Rainbow. Rabbit. Excellent. This is letter S. Snake. Spider. Sun. Sunflower. Fantastic. Now this is letter T. Train. Tub. Tomato. T, t, tiger. Very good. This is letter U. A, a, up, a, umbrella. Uniform. Unicorn. Very good. This is letter V. Van. Violet. Violin. Vegetable. Well done. Now this is letter W. Watch. Wall. Water. Watermelon. Very good. This is letter X. X-ray. Xmas tree. Xbox. X-ray fish. This is letter Y. Yellow. Yolk. Yak. Yo-yo. Superb. Now this is letter Z. Zebra. Zoo. Zip. Zigzag. Excellent. You did a great job. Well done. See you next video. Hope you enjoyed the video.